Alright, today I would like the audience to understand and believe in the recycling and its abilities to help out the planet. Recycling is fundamental to maintaining the earth and its environment. Back in the day, there were very few people that were concerned about recycling and helping out the environment with the constant accumulation of waste that goes on every single day. As the amount of waste was increasing drastically, many became worrisome of a disaster happening. Thus, a solution was found, and today we have recycling. So why should we be concerned and willing to help out the earth? Well, not only are our lives affected by this every single day, but the lives of our future generations are going to be affected as well. There are many reasons why one should recycle and methods of doing so, and it can even be fun too. So although recycling is something that takes just one person, it's a huge global problem. So not only is the United States being affected by all the waste that we accumulate, but so is every single country in the whole entire world. If this accumulation of waste continues like it is right now, then we might run out of room to bury all of the waste, which can create detrimental effects to the environment. The effects can be irreversible, thus leaving a lasting impact on us and the generations to come, just like global warming. However, recycling is not only reusing to prevent waste, but it's also conserving as well. There's not an everlasting abundance of natural resources, such as paper, which comes from trees, and it can be depleted if we don't use them carefully. The resources that we have are going to be left, or we're going to be left without them, which are very vital to us, like paper, as I said. And statistics, according to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, show that recycling paper saves about 17 trees as well as 17,000 gallons of water. And I got all of this information from conserveenergyfuture.com, helpadventure.com, geosciences.org, healthfully.com, recyclingguide.org, and earthsfriends.com. To stop this constant stress upon these natural resources, recycling must be done. A simple fix is to separate trash from plastic, aluminum, paper, and this can make a central contribution to the earth. Another way of reducing, reusing, and recycling is saving energy. This can be turning off your light switch, unplugging your electronics, and just recycling, which is another renewable resource that can be saved energy. Transforming these raw materials like wood into usable items like paper is an incredibly wasteful amount of energy. Since these products that are normally recycled require a lot less to make them into materials, a lot of energy can be saved. With the amount of energy it takes to make one aluminum can, 20 recycled cans can be manufactured. Materials like aluminum can sometimes be recycled indefinitely, so you can use things like aluminum over and over and over again. So you might turn it into a can, but then you can recycle it and it can be made into another thing, and then another thing, and then another thing.
I did drink water.
One more reason to recycle is to save our wildlife and the environments that they live in. According to Green SC, over 1 million seabirds, 100,000 sea mammals, and 50,000 fur seals die annually as a result of plastic litter floating in the water. So when we don't recycle, a lot of times this trash just goes into the ocean, and then it ends up in the stomachs of these animals, and then they can die. And thus, the whole entire cycle of life is altered and might not be able to continue. So recycling these can reduce a ton of trash that ends up here in the water and in their habitats. This will help to slow down the rate of extinction for many of these because they're dying off.
Did I do something?
And this will slow down them dying. This can help to bring life back to these species and eventually make them not extinct or on the brink of extinction and give them a happy and healthy life with a good place to live for many years to come. Although I've only named a few reasons to recycle, there are many more that unfortunately exist. Talking about these can help to urge you in some way to recycle. If we fail to do so, the planet and those who are living here in the future might suffer from our inability to reduce, reuse, and recycle. The benefits of this are endless and can be life-saving for creatures, even humans. Recycling should be a fundamental part of our lives, and once we create this habit, one life at a time, the earth will see amazing effects. So I encourage you to go out and recycle, and it can be super easy. There's usually local places in your town for recycling that can come and pick up your trash for you if you would like. And even like at my school at Loyola, we recycle all of our paper towels. So anytime you go to a restroom, the paper towels are thrown into a trash can. And then we recycle water in our toilets. We use African rainwater. And so we're not just taking clean water, we're taking water that you wouldn't normally drink and recycling it. So it's very easy to find any ideas on how to recycle. Just Google them and implement them into your daily life. And you'll help save an animal or a habitat or your future grandkids. So thank you for listening.
How long was that?
Well,
Did good.
Very good.
it is.
Did I screw that